Yeah, hello everyone once again. So, so first, when measuring the resistance, use need to calibrate first our multimeter in order to get the accurate measurement. So let's choose the times 10. So it's calibrated. So let's start. My choice is times 10. So as you can see, the measurement is 15 ohms because 1.5 times 10 equals to 15 ohms. Next is measuring of the voltage. We need to turn the run selector to the DCV or direct current voltage. My choice is 2.5 because I already that the battery is 1.5 voltage. As you can see, the measurement is 1.55 volts. Next is the measurement of current. We need to turn the range selector to DCA or DCMA. And I choose 0.25 amperes, as you can see. As you can see, the answer is 0.30 amperes is the measurement. And that's all. Thank you.